Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to change the font style on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone and from here just scroll down and tap on display and brightness. From here just scroll down and tap on font style. And from here you can change the font style from default to classic font. Just tap on apply. Now, as you can see, we have changed the font from the default font to the classic font. And if you want to set a custom font on your smartphone, just open the settings app. And from here, just scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Then scroll down and tap on font style. From here, just tap on download more. And from here, you can download any font you like. For an example, I will download this one. Now you can purchase this font or you can get it for free. Just tap on get for free. Now just tap on claim. Now just wait for a few seconds for this font to download. Now as you can see, we have applied this font on our smartphone. And this is how you can change the font style on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.